BGC High Street caters to all interests. Whether you just want to hang out with your family or friends, if you are a bike enthusiast or a plant lover, pet lover, or just a foodie, this is the place to be. In this video, we will start exploring the BGC High Street starting at the 5th Avenue corner 30th Street, which is closed on weekends. On one side of this street, you will see the Central Square Mall, and on the other side, there is the one Bonifacio High Street building where Zara is located, and there's also the Shangri-La BGC Hotel. There is a weekend street market in this area where you can find not only food shops but also shops selling different items. This is one Bonifacio High Street. There are actually shops and restaurants inside since it is a mall, although the most prominent shop is Zara since it's on the ground floor. There's also an option for alfresco dining at the sky deck. Across the street and just outside the Central Square Mall, you will see this giant Christmas tree. This is just one of the several Christmas displays you will see at the High Street. If you go inside the Central Square Mall, you will see this big Christmas tree. They're still installing the other Christmas displays. In the same block as the Central Square Mall, you will see the amphitheater where you can just sit down and relax. In the middle, you will see Garden Street. This is where pots and plants are sold. At night, Garden Street looks equally beautiful since it is well lit. You can also eat at the Garden Street by ordering food from the nearby restaurants using the QR codes. We're walking now to the next block of the BGC High Street. But before that, you will pass by these giant Christmas trees. This Christmas display is actually one of my favorites. In this block, you will see several shops and restaurants. It is also pet-friendly and bike-friendly. At the end of the block, you will see MotostrEAT. This is just an open space with tables and chairs on the side where you can eat. You can also park your motorcycle here. At night, We saw several big bikes parked here. We are now at another block of the BGC High Street. In this area, you will see several art installations and playground. You will also see several kids and pets here since this is very child-friendly and pet-friendly. There's an open space dedicated for children and pets to play. If you continue walking, you will reach Serendra. This is the next block from the BGC High Street. Serendra is actually a residential area, but there are several shops and restaurants on the ground floor, so it's open to the public. If you continue walking, you will reach Market and SM Aura on the right. There are also other spots in BGC worth visiting, but were not included in this video. Thanks for watching and travel safely.